Hi, CJ here with another Photoshop tutorial, where I'll be showing you how to make a glass effect, not just with text, but you can also do it with other images as well. Now the size of the background I'm using is thumbnail size 800 by 600 pixels. So first select the font you'll be using. I'm using Impact, and I've already typed in 2026. You can type in whatever you want. Now double click on the text layer. Decrease the fill opacity to 0. Click on Bevel and Emboss. Change the style to Pillow Emboss. Increase the depth to 636. 636. Increase the size to 24. And increase the soften to about 2. Change the angle to 53. And uncheck Use Global Light. Change the gloss contour to Done. Nice font. Change the highlight mode to linear dodge. Increase the opacity to 100%. And change this opacity to 8%. Now select Inner Glow. Change the blend mode to color dodge. Decrease the opacity to 9. As well as the size to 9 also. Now change the contour to the third box. Decrease the range to 47. Now add a drop shadow. Change the distance to 9 and the size. Change the contour to the last box. Then click OK. And there you have your glass text effect. But you can also do it with other images. Now this was an image of an actual hand, and the other one was of a cocktail glass. Even had the lime wedge in there. And I used the same exact steps. So that's all there is to getting the glass effect. You can do it with text or with images. I'm CJ. Thanks for watching.